Turbofish is a syntax used in the Rust programming language to specify generic type parameters of functions or types. The turbofish syntax is used, as you can see on screen, where t is replaced by a specific type or type parameter. This syntax is used to explicitly tell the compiler which types to use. It is called turbofish because it looks like a fish. Let's create our struct with the turbofish syntax except for binding to the variable we are used to. Let's do another example to reinforce it. Turbofish syntax can be used on functions or types and is used to specify generic type parameters. It is especially useful when it is necessary to specify the type explicitly.